Morning, I got up about 4:40, hit the road at 5 o'clock, got up here to Onaway State Park and helped John Matt haul all that gear out. It's hard to film because it's pitch black, need some better lighting for some of this, but anyways, very cool experience. Some of these guys got some monster holes they cut out here. He had a power auger which helped, and then a hand ice saw. But yeah, a little bit of work. You're actually getting a sweat up in the cold weather, cutting that big hole out, but pretty cool. The idea is they put some of the white boards or something white on the bottom there, so when you see them sturgeon come through, they you can see them a little bit better when they swim through, and hopefully you get a shot at spearing one of them. On Black Lake, the 7th biggest inland lake in Michigan, over 10,000 acres. And we are just north of Onaway, which Onaway has only like 900 people. I think there's over 900 people out here on the ice this morning. There's shanties and snowmobilers, quads, four-wheelers, side-by-sides, equipment everywhere. Yeah, I didn't know if Gordo would maybe even come up here.
You'll do a whole lot, no more. Homemade gift, Josh.
This guy has made woods and water a number of times.
Yeah.
Incredible resume here. I'm gonna drop this ice spud down in the water with the board.
Let them know why, Josh, to increase visibility.
To increase visibility, probably knock out a sturgeon on the way down and it'll float up under the ice somewhere, and we gotta dig another hole. Yeah, they're all green here too, but that'd be something to try. got Devin and Gary here. They're from downstate. Dad is not the inspiration for Devin's fishing. Devin is self-driven. Dad just likes to work on cars, and he'll grab a pole if everybody. He's a bandwagon fisher, he says. They're catching him. He's in. This big hole about 6:30 in the morning. Black Lake, looks like Brown Lake to me. And then he's got his board down there. This is his first time doing the sturgeon thing. Only one's been caught after about almost 3 hours in. So John Matt has his master angler bluegill, novice at the sturgeon. Got the big spear ready to roll. Would you rather be working and making overtime money?
I'm not opposed.
Very cool event here on Black Lake. They got food tents. Even if you just want to wander around on the ice, check out the shanties, get out of the house. Pretty cool event to come down and see. So anyways, all done with the sturgeon fishing. They ended up catching 6 altogether. They got the last one just before the buzzer after 1 o'clock, I believe. So they run it from 8 o'clock in the morning until 2 in the afternoon. So look it up. So anyways, right now I decided to take a little hike over to Ocqueoc Falls, and it's just a hop, skip, and a jump away from Black River. This is a great area to do some hikes. There's camping nearby. Obviously you don't really camp in the winter, but nice little rustic campground here. I think it's like 9 sites. And then there's some modern campgrounds near the area. Also, Lake Huron is only like 10 miles away over in Rogers City. But this Ocqueoc Falls, it's the only real known waterfall in the Lower Peninsula. And we used to come here back before it was really commercialized, but when it was a dirt parking lot. And it's a fun little spot to wade around and swim. It's only about waist deep on me. And might be a little shallower than that for you taller people. So really cool swimming hole. The water is usually pretty warm in the summer. It's a shallow river. You can even jump off the top of these falls in there. I always recommend wearing some old tennis shoes or boat shoes, but for the most part it's pretty sandy. What a cool little waterfall here in the Lower Peninsula. It's approximately between Onaway and Rogers City, just off of M68. So, well worth taking an extra 20 minutes and doing a little stop. A lot of people just drive by things and don't smell the roses. I know people who actually live by this area and are married have never even taken their families here or anything. It's better than watching TV or just sitting around doing nothing. So it's nice to get out on a hike and take the opportunity to see some Mother Nature, and it's awesome. Thanks for watching. Click subscribe, hit like, share with your friends.